So class, as you all know that we have completed this chapter, and today we are going to start question answers of this chapter. Okay, word meaning and question answers. So here we go. The chapter name is Three Men in a Boat. First word meaning of this chapter. Very first word meaning is CD. The CD meaning unwell. The mean of CD is unwell. Second is giddiness. Giddiness meaning the feeling that everything is moving and that you are going to fall. कि जैसे हमें चक्कर आते हैं, okay, like a feeling of faint. The feeling that everything is moving and that you are going to fall. अभी आप गिरने ही वाले हो. Patent, having license. Patent means having license of something. Virulent, infectious. Virulent meaning infectious. Ailment, a kind of illness, okay, symptoms of illness, okay. Distemper, infectious disease. Distemper meaning infectious disease. Next is scourge, thing that cause trouble. ऐसी चीजें जो हमें trouble देते हैं. Scourge meaning thing that causes trouble. Premonitory means something unpleasant that is going to happen. कुछ अच्छा नहीं होने वाला है, okay? Something unpleasant that is going to happen. Next is listlessness, state of being without enthusiasm or great energy. Chum, here chum meaning is friend. Chum meaning is friend, but it pushed, धक्का दिया, okay? It is past form, okay? But it past form, pushed also a past form. Hampers, prevents from achieving something. Prevent यानी stop करना किसी चीज को. Stop from achieving something. Hampers here. Next is illustrative. Illustrative meaning यहाँ पर है बेटा helping to explain something. Illustrative meaning helping to explain something. Unanimous, agreed by everyone means जो भी हम बात कर रहे हैं वो सब उसके लिए हाँ कर दे. Agreed by everyone. Equilibrium means balance. Equilibrium means balance in both the situation. Okay. Patriarchal meaning giving power to man. ऐसी thing जो दूसरों को power देती है. Man यानी यहाँ पर लोगों के लिए आया है. Giving power to man. Again I'm explaining all these word meanings. First is CD, unwell. Giddiness, the feeling that everything is moving and that you are going to fall. Patent means having license. Virulent means infectious. Ailment means illness. Distemper, infectious disease. Scourge means thing that causes trouble. Premonitory means something unpleasant that is going to happen. Listlessness, state of being without enthusiasm or great energy. Chum means friend, but it means pushed. Hamper, prevents from achieving something. Illustrative, which mean helping to explain something. Unanimous, agreed by everyone. Unanimous means agreed by everyone. Equilibrium means balance. Patriarchal means giving power to man. Okay, so here we have completed our word meaning. Now move towards to question answers. So very first question of this chapter is, how did the speaker know that his liver was out of order? Here the speaker is used here did. It is the second form of do. Do, did and done. So the question is in second form, so we have to reply it the verb second form. So here know will become into second form knew. Okay. The speaker knew that his liver was out of order. उसे पता था because he was reading the symptoms of a liver being out of order, and he could tell that he had it all. As you all know that when he read in a book about some symptoms which have liver problem, included liver problem, so he thought that he had all kind of diseases, all kind of things which includes a liver problem. Okay class, so again I'm repeating, the speaker knew that his liver was out of order because he was reading the symptoms of a liver being out of order, and he could tell that he had it all. Our next question is, why did the speaker feel that he was a hospital in himself? As you all know, why he did feel that कि वो खुद में ही एक हॉस्पिटल है. आपको सभी को पता है ये एक फनी वे भी था. He thought he was a hospital himself because he felt he was an interesting case as he assumed himself of having all kinds of diseases. क्या था, जैसे कि उसको पता चला he is having all kind of diseases, that's why he called himself a hospital. Okay, उसने अपने आप को क्या बताया, एक हॉस्पिटल बताया, और क्या बोला कि it will be very easy to check up for the it will be easy to gain all kind of diseases by the medical students. Okay, medical students के लिए प्रॉफिट भी है, ये इजी भी हो जाएगा, वो मुझे गेट कर लेंगे क्योंकि मैं खुद में ही एक हॉस्पिटल हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑल काइंड ऑफ डिजीजेस. Question number 3 is, why did the speaker decide to go to the doctor? Why he decided to go to the doctor? Okay, he decided to go to a doctor because he felt that he had every diseases except the housemate's knee. Here the housemate's knee is the problem of in your knee. Okay, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है knee से related तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, housemate's knee. यानी उसने सारी diseases देखी except housemate's knee. That's why he told the doctor that among all the diseases, but I have not a disease which is housemate's knee. So he decided to go to a doctor because he felt that he had every kind of disease except the housemate's knee. Question number 4 is, what was the outcome of his meeting with the doctor? Here outcome meaning is result. What was the result? Okay, the outcome of the meeting, his doctor, was that the speaker understood that his life was preserved, यानी बच चुकी है, and still going on, और अभी भी आगे चलने वाली है. Because when he went to the chemist, as he read the prescription of given by the doctor, so he told him that there is nothing to be worried, कोई चिंता करने वाली बात नहीं है, you have nothing in your body. So he thought that I am safe, my life was preserved, or my life is preserved and still going on, आगे भी चलने वाली है. After contemplation, what solution did the friend have for the cause of their illness? Contemplation meaning here think about long time, यानी उन्होंने इतने लंबे समय तक अपनी बातें की, अपने बारे में बताया कि हमारी ये illness थी, ये थी, और खुद के बारे में भी बता रहे थे. Each other they were talking about their feeling, they were physical feeling, how they are feeling. Okay, they were not healthy that time. So after that contemplation, what solution did the friends have for the cause of their illness? क्या उन्होंने solution निकाला? The friend came to a solution that they need rest and change of surrounding. यानी जितना भी उनके ऊपर बर्डन था, वर्कलोड था, उससे सबसे निकलकर वो कहीं बाहर जाना चाहते थे, और वो यही सोच रहे थे कि शायद इसी की वजह से हम अपने आप को अनहेल्दी फील कर रहे हैं. सो दे नीड सम चेंज ऑफ सराउंडिंग और एनवायरमेंट. सो द आंसर इज, द फ्रेंड केम टू अ सॉल्यूशन दैट दे नीड रेस्ट एंड चेंज ऑफ सराउंडिंग. Question number 6 is, based on the description given by George, what kind of place were they looking for? यानी जो डिस्क्रिप्शन जॉर्ज ने दिया था, वो किस तरीके का प्लेस ढूंढ रहे थे अपने आप को विजिट के लिए. ओके, दे वर लुकिंग फॉर अ सॉलिटरी प्लेस. सॉलिटरी हियर मींस बहुत ही अच्छा, मतलब एक अच्छा लेवल का प्लेस जहां बिल्कुल शांति हो. ओके, इन द मिड्स ऑफ नेचर. मिड्स मींस बिटवीन ऑफ नेचर. सॉलिटरी प्लेस इन द मिड्स ऑफ नेचर. ही सजेस्टेड दैट दे शुड सीक out some old world spot. कि उन्हें क्या देखना चाहिए, कुछ old world spot देखना चाहिए, उस जगह जाना चाहिए, far from the humdrums of monotonous. Humdrums of monotonous here mean लेकिन एक्साइटमेंट और वेराइटी और इंटरेस्ट. जैसे इनके लाइफ में क्या थी, एक्साइटमेंट नहीं था, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें नहीं थी, बिकॉज दे आर ओनली डूइंग ओनली देयर वर्क, सो दे वांट अवे फ्रॉम इट, वो इससे दूर जाना चाहते थे. सो आउट ऑफ द रीच ऑफ द नॉइजी वर्ल्ड, और जितना भी नॉइजी वर्ल्ड था जिससे वो अभी परेशान हो चुके थे, अपने आप को अनहेल्दी फील कर रहे थे, तो इन सबसे वो दूर जाना चाहते थे. ओके, सो दे डिसाइडेड टू गो आउट ऑफ समवेयर. Question number 7 is, what suggestion was finally agreed upon? Why? Now finally what they for what they agreed, कि उन्होंने किस चीज के लिए एग्री किया, क्या सजेशन था उनका. They finally decided they would go up the river. After all the discussion, after all the contemplation, they decided that they would go to the river. They agreed to this because they would have fresh air, they need fresh air, exercise and have a quiet surrounding. उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों किया? क्योंकि उन्हें किसकी जरूरत थी? एक्सरसाइज की भी जरूरत थी, फ्रेश एयर की भी जरूरत थी और क्वाइट सराउंडिंग, थोड़ा शांत का सराउंडिंग मिल जाए उन्हें, ताकि अपने जितना भी बर्डन है उसको वो रिमूव कर सके, ओके, एंड अपने आप को हेल्दी फील कर सके. Now we have completed our question answers here. Now let's do reference to the context. First line, reference to the context is, I sat for a while, frozen with horror, and then in the listlessness of despair, I again turned over the pages. Means this line is here, I sat for a while, frozen the horror, and then in the listlessness of despair, I again turned over the pages. Here what is the question related to it, देखते हैं हम. Why was the speaker in a state of despair? वो इतना परेशान क्यों था? The speaker was in a state of despair because he assumed that, उसने सोचा था that he had all the symptoms of the diseases that he was reading about in the book. जो भी वो बुक में पढ़ रहा था उससे रिलेटेड सारे सिम्टम्स उसकी बॉडी में उसे दिख रहे थे. Okay, he can feel all the kind of symptoms, okay, which he was reading in the book. Second is, what pages is he referring to? अब कौन से pages ये referring कर रहा है, उसमें कौन से pages थे ऐसे? He was in the pages of premonitory symptoms. As we have read about what is premonitory. So the meaning of premonitory is something unpleasant that is going to happen. Okay, कि ऐसी चीज जो आगे होने वाली है, unpleasant thing. Okay, तो ये ऐसे pages में अपने बारे में उसके बारे में पढ़ रहे थे. Number 3 is, what were the contents of the pages? क्या थे contents, उसमें क्या include था? The other pages contain information. Okay, दूसरे पेजेस में इंफॉर्मेशन थे about other diseases. Some fearful, कुछ तो डरावने थे, and some devastating, और कुछ ऐसे थे जो फील नहीं कर पाते, टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाते. ओके, तो वो सब पढ़ रहा था जब उन बुक में, तो ये fearful भी थे, devastating भी थे, और कुछ में क्या containing थी, कुछ में information भी थी according to the disease. Okay, related to the disease. Line number 2 is, what it was that was actually the matter with us. None of us could be sure of, but the unanimous opinion was that whatever it was, had been brought on by overwork. Now here, all three friends were discussing, as you all know, that they were discussing each other's problem, each other's health, and one of them told that, and the conclusion was that they should change, they should need some change. Okay, because of their overwork, उनकी overwork की वजह से अब उन्हें क्या है, उन्हें थोड़ा सा change चाहिए अपनी life में, so they decided to go to the river. That's why. Okay, so the question is, who does us refer to? Us here किसके लिए आया है? So as you all know everyone, us refers to the three friends, George William, Samuel Harris, and the speaker himself. They were three friends, right? तो इन तीनों friends का name है यहाँ पर, उन तीनों friends के लिए यहाँ पर us को refer किया गया है. So second question is, what was the unanimous opinion? Unanimous opinion क्या थी? यानी जो ऐसी opinion जो सबके द्वारा agree की गई, agreed by all. Unanimous meaning agreed by all. The unanimous opinion was that the general depression that was within them was as a result of the overwork. यानी तीनों जब conclusion पे निकले थे तो तीनों ने क्या क्या ओपिनियन थी उनकी तीनों की? सेम एग्री किया था इन लोगों ने कि हमारा ओवरवर्क की वजह से हम लोग हेल्दी नहीं है. ठीक है, उन्होंने क्या सोचा था कि बिकॉज और ड्यू टू सम फिजिकल वर्क और ड्यू टू सम ओवर स्ट्रेंथ वर्क वी आर नॉट हेल्दी हियर. दैट्स व्हाई द अनएनिमियस ओपिनियन वाज दैट द जनरल डिप्रेशन दैट वाज विद इन देम वाज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ ओवरवर्क. Number 3 is, what was wrong with them? अब उनके साथ क्या गलत था? Okay, they were overstrained, यानी उनके पास बहुत सारा burden था. Overstrained means burden of work, and it produced a general depression throughout the system here used for the our mind, our body. Okay, so ये क्या किया उनके लिए? एक डिप्रेशन बन गया throughout the system. पूरी बॉडी में या पूरे माइंड में उनके क्या चल रहा था? डिप्रेशन चल रहा था ड्यू टू overstrained work. It was believed that they needed change of surrounding will restore their mental composure. कि ये उन्होंने सोचा था mental composure here meaning the feeling of being calm, शांत रहने के लिए, healthy feel करने के लिए, okay? Physical और mental दोनों stress को कम करने के लिए उन्होंने क्या सोचा था कि they need to change their surrounding, they need to change their scene. उन्हें कहीं बाहर जाना चाहिए. That's why so that they can restore their mental composure. अपने मेंटल कंपोजर को वो फिर से आराम से फील कर सके या फिर अपने माइंड को बिल्कुल काम कर सके. ओके, दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट इज लेट्स गो अप द रिवर. नाउ देयर इज ओनली वन लाइन इन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट्स गो अप द रिवर. Question number 1 related to this line. Who is the speaker? George is the speaker here. Why did he suggest going up to the river? George suggested going up to the river because he said they should have fresh air, do exercise, and the constant change of scene would occupy their minds and they would have a good sleep. As you all know, he loves to sleep every time. That's why he suggested this kind of place that he needs some calm, he needs some rest. So let us go to the river. He suggested that we need to go to the river. Last question is, who did not agree with the suggestion? Why? Okay, अब सारे तो unanimous thing थी सबके साथ कि सब agree थे, but one who did not agree with the suggestion was Montmorency. Montmorency was a dog of the speaker. Montmorency did not agree to this because of वो agree क्यों नहीं हुआ? Because he never did care for the river or the scenery. What he said that कि I don't like the scenery of any kind of river or sea. This is not a part of my life. मैं नहीं देखता हूँ. कौन कह रहा था? ये डॉग ने बोली थी ये बात कि मुझे नहीं है, सीनरी जैसी चीजें मेरी लाइफ में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है. तो he was not agree in first situation, but in last we read that he agreed. Last में जाते हुए agree हो गया था, but question is here who did not agree in the first situation. So the answer is Montmorency. And why he did not agree? Because he never did care for the river or the scenery. उसको बिल्कुल care नहीं थी क्या river है क्या scenery. I don't like all these things. Okay, so we have completed our question answers of this exercise. Of this chapter. Tomorrow, maybe in the next class, we will be covering our book exercise. Okay, class? Till then, learn all these kind of questions, word meanings, whatever I gave you in extra. Okay, class?